Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delegate your T-Core on metamask wallet. Okay, this activity is very important because the same procedures we apply in delegating and undelegating T-Core during testnet, the same processes we're also going to employ during the mainnet. So every core miner is expected to master these processes as against preparation for the mainnet, so that once the mainnet is launched, you wouldn't make any mistake that you will regret later. So what you need to do is, once you open your MetaMask, okay, you make sure that you have at least one T-Core. Okay, make sure you have at least one T-Core, then 0.0004 charges. Okay, that's transaction charges. Now, what you need to do now is you click on this three horizontal line, okay, then you click on your browser, okay, you allow it to load, you allow the page to load. Okay, this page has loaded. So what you do now is, on this URL portion, on this search bar, you paste, you click on it, then you paste the address, the URL of the validator operation. All right, you paste the URL. So I've pasted it now because I have it already. So if you don't have it, I'll drop the link in the description so that you can easily copy it, then participate in the delegation exercise. So I'll click on search. Okay, I'll give some seconds for the page to load. I'll give some seconds, it's loading. Okay, now once the page successfully loads, you search through, okay, there are different types of nodes you can delegate our core to. We have the rock node, we have the ant node, formation node, positioning node, okay, the spider node, sorry for that. We have the node providers and so on. Now, take note of this, okay, guys, take note of this. You only delegate to nodes that are active. Okay, now take note of this also. This is an inactive node. Please do not delegate your core or your T-Core to an inactive node. Always remember to delegate on active node. And also, you pay attention to the percentages here. Okay, you pay attention to this. Okay, this is the commission percentage of the B2 node. This is the commission percentage of the SB validator. This is the commission percentage of the Jack node. Okay, so pay attention to the percentage. Okay, now obviously the higher the percentage of commission, the higher number of T-Core you are going to get as reward. Okay, obviously. So what you need to do is, for the purpose of this video, let me select the formation node, which has the commission of 5%. So I'll click on it, formation node. Okay, then I'll allow it to load. Okay, it has loaded now. So I'll click on this delegate option. Okay, I click on it. Then two options has appeared: delegate coin and delegate hash. Now we are not delegating hash, we are delegating coin. So we click on delegate coin. All right, delegate coin. Now, excuse me, I have to do that again. Delegate coin. Okay, now look at this option here. This is my, okay, this is the address I'm delegating to. Okay, then this is the least value of core that I must have in my wallet before I delegate. Now, for the purpose of this video, I want to delegate to core. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll click on this plus option. Okay, you see now this has changed to 2. Okay, it has changed to 2. Formerly it was 1. So what next I'm going to do now is I'll click on delegate. That is, I'll click on this button. So let me click on it. I've done that. Okay, I'll wait for the confirmation. Allow it to load. You patiently wait. Okay, now this is the amount of core that I want to delegate. Okay, this is the total amount of core I have in my wallet. This is the estimated gas fee. Okay, I remember when I at the beginning of this video I said 0.0004 T-Core for charges. As you can see, it is 0.0002. Okay, that is the correct figure. Okay, so that is the correct amount of charges for this transaction. Okay, then Having done this, I'll click on confirm. I click on it. You allow it to load, give it some time. Okay, transaction has been submitted. Transaction has been successful. Okay, you see it. Okay, so this is how to delegate. This is how to delegate, and it is not different from, it's not going to be different from the mainnet. Okay, it's not going to be different from the mainnet. So it is advisable that you master these processes, master this operation, so that once the mainnet is launched, you wouldn't have any reason to regret by delegating to a wrong node or doing an improper thing. All right, so it is very, very important. You can practice it as many times as you can, provided you have T-Core in your wallet. Okay, now if you want to know the commission reward that you've gotten, okay, the reward you've gotten as a result of the delegation you just did, or rather you did before. Now, like I've delegated some amount of T-Core in the past. Okay, now if I want to check to know, or rather to see the reward, I'll click on this button. Okay, then I'll click on my staking. I hope you can see it. Excuse me. This is it, my staking. Okay, I'll click on it. Okay, now I have deposited a total of 5 T-Core. Okay, a total of 5 T-Core. You can see it on the screen. Okay, now for the purpose of this video, I delegated 2 cores, right? Okay, in the past I delegated 3 core. Okay, to sum it up to 5 that we have here. Now take a look at this. This is the reward that I have gotten, okay, from the past one that I delegated. So if I want to get this reward, okay, if I want to get this reward, I'll simply click on claim. Okay, I'll click on claim so that the reward will add up to my wallet. Okay, then I'll wait for it to confirm. Okay, then I'll click on confirm button. Okay, you give it some seconds. Yeah, transaction submitted. Transaction submitted. You hold on until it says transaction succeed. You hold on. Okay, you see transaction has been completed. Okay, so this is how to delegate your core. This is how to delegate your core. Okay, this is how to delegate your core. It is not different. It's not going to be different from what we are going to see during mainnet. Now, another important thing I want to tell you before I bring this video to an end is, if you want to undelegate, okay, you come back here, just the same process of delegation. You come back here, okay, you click on this delegate button, then sorry, not here, this is it, okay, this is the right place to go if you want to undelegate. Okay, you click on it, then you click on undelegate coin, this first option. Okay, you click on undelegate, then you wait for confirmation. You understand? But currently I don't want to undelegate. Okay, so let me reject it because I don't want to undelegate. You understand? So, but that is the process you have to go through to undelegate your T-Core or your core during mainnet. Okay, now if I go back to my wallet, I'll discover that I used to have 4 core plus here, but since I've delegated 2 out of it, it has reduced. Okay, it has reduced to 2. Okay, now, and when I undelegate, if I go back now and undelegate the core that I've already delegated, it will come back to this total number of core that I have here. It will add up again. Okay, so that is how to delegate and undelegate. Okay, guys, if you find this video interesting, please you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, you like, you comment, okay, and share my videos. Okay, thank you and hope to see you in my next video.